This is a fully automated property viewing system built in n8n. From the moment a buyer books a viewing to the final follow-up after they've seen the property, everything runs automatically. It starts with a webhook trigger connected to a live booking form. The submission gets validated immediately. Missing fields return a 400 error before anything else runs. Valid submissions log to Google Sheets and fire a full booking summary to a dedicated Slack channel for the agent. Then, the interesting part, a JavaScript code node calculates the exact viewing date and time and schedules 3 dynamic wait points: 24 hours before the viewing, 1 hour before, and 24 hours after. Every buyer gets perfectly timed emails regardless of when they book. No fixed delays, pure date math. 3 AI agents handle the emails. A confirmation email goes out instantly. A 24-hour reminder the day before. A see you soon message 1 hour before the viewing. After the viewing, a pressure-free follow-up. Each email is written by Gemini. Personalized, professional, and it never mentions automation. After the follow-up sends, Gmail thread get checks if the buyer replied. If they did, the sequence stops. If not, one final email goes out 3 days later. Then, the workflow ends cleanly. No spam, no overcommunication, 1 booking form submission, 5 personalized emails, 0 manual effort from the agent. This is what a real estate follow-up system looks like when it's built properly.